So, nandito kami ngayon sa work. So, this is my first time coming here. My husband used to clean this place a lot by himself, but I'm here today. So, andito ako sa loob ng bathroom. This is the studio Airbnb here in Los Angeles. So, before I start cleaning the bathroom, I'm gonna tour you guys around this big studio Airbnb. So here, I have my cleaning. This is Zip inside. Cleaning supply right here. I'm gonna spray the sink. Marami pa siyang hair. So we just got here. So I'm gonna start cleaning it. So meron siyang snake plants inside the bathroom. Very cute studio. Big studio size. And this is the shower. Laki ng shower nila. And here's my cleaning stuff. I'm using soft scrub to clean the tub and the toilet seat. And here I'm gonna walk through you guys inside the studio. So here's the bedroom. Big size bedroom. So tinanggal namin yung sheets. Ayan. Tapos we're washing the sheets. So yung maraming mirror. It's nice studio size. So the guy owned this house, big house. So he's also renting upstairs for $6,000 a month. Ang mahal, di ba? So while we cleaning, we're washing on the stuff. So meron silang washer and dryer. So we're washing the sheets right now. Tapos mamaya pagkatapos ibabalik. So here's the living room. Ang laki ng living room nila. So this is the studio. Office area. Ayan. Laki ng big screen TV. Hello. Tapos ito yung entrance, front door. O diba? Laki ng chandelier. Big frame. Arts in the wall. Maraming mirrors. Plants. Maraming plants. Ganda, diba? Maraming Hi guys. Look my outfit today. And my gloves. Hey everyone, hi everyone. So ito yung trabaho namin dito sa LA. Kasama yung asawa ko, nag-release kami ng mga Airbnb. Yan. Ayan guys, ang ganda, di ba? And then may dalawang 2-area seating right there, just good for 2 people. Ayan. Ang laki ng studio nila, guys. Ayan. And then their kitchen. Ayan, kitchen nila. My husband washing dishes. Hey, love.
Hey!
Ang ganda ng kitchen. Big kitchen. It's good size. Good size, ha? Galing. So, yan guys, ay malaking art dito, oh. Malaki yung arts nilang design. It's a good size. So, okay na tumira dito. So, I'm sure mahal ang renta dito, guys. Grabe. I don't know how much per night here, but I'm sure it's expensive. Alright guys, so back to work na ako guys. Mag-start cleaning na ako. So makita-kita tayo mamaya pagkatapos. guys, welcome back. So, tapos na kami maglinis. Hindi na lang pinakita. Hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo how we clean this place because it's gonna be long. So, we've been here for 1 hour. So, here's the living room after we done cleaning. Ayan. So, every time we finish cleaning this area, may apps sila na chine-check namin. Like every corner, you have to check the checklist na nagawa mo lahat yun. So, this is the living room. Hi guys again. Ayan. Tapos yung desk dito. House rules. Yan ang guest. So, parang hotel talaga siya guys. Hello. So, ayan. Tapos na. So, itutur ko lang kayo after we clean this Airbnb studio unit. Ayan, kitchen. Oh, ganda diba? Yung mga plates nila. The sink. This is a very good size of Airbnb unit studio. 1 bedroom. 1 bedroom siya guys. So ito yung after I cleaned the bathroom, it was really dirty. It's a lot of hair. Yeah, the mirrors clean and the tub it's clean. So I scrub. The sink is clean. Wala na siyang buhok. Kanina maraming buhok. I clean the mirror. Yan. Tapos may snake pan sa loob. Toilets clean, and then this is the bedroom. Ayan. So this is the bedroom. Ito yung gusto niyang style after done cleaning the room. Ayan. And there's a mirror again inside the bedroom. Ayan. Alright guys, so yun lang. Share ko lang sa inyo. Today's vlog is we clean the Airbnb unit here in Los Angeles. Ito yung trabaho ng asawa namin. So, alright guys, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I see you guys around. Thank you for watching.